these 5 products that you have in your makeup bag is gonna achieve this. Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a round of applause for you. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing my makeup with just 5 products. This video is very beginner friendly for you that you want to start learning makeup and you don't know where to start from. These 5 products that you have in your makeup bag is gonna achieve this. So I'm gonna start off strong with my concealer in my exact shade. Put here, just a little here, a little here. Let me blend that out. For those that have been watching, you know that I like blending out my concealers immediately. You look up and then you blend. Blend, I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer there and then I blend. Can you see? It's different. Doing this, you want to make sure that you have a very damp beauty sponge. You're just gonna put concealer here. I'm trying to rush because I feel like I want to try and achieve this in 5 minutes. You blend. I'm gonna put like a little bit concealer here, just so you know. Oh yeah, I think that's it. Yes, that's about the concealer. Number 1 product gone. The second product I'm gonna be using is my powder, and I'm going to be using my V-Beauty powder in the shade dark chocolate. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I'll first of all put it where I applied the concealer, all over my face. If you're a beginner, this is very good for you because you want to put on your eyelids also. Put powder everywhere. Okay. Next, I'm going to be going my CPD blush, and I'm going to be using. Should I use orange? Let me not use orange. I'm going to be using this shade, deep pink, to just I'm I want to put a little in the inner corners of my eyes, like that. Then the other side. And the inner corners of my eyes. Just to elevate my face and like yeah. Then a little bit on my nose. I think that's it. Like a lighter shade of my powder underneath my eyes to just elevate my face. I'm using the shade cream caramel to just elevate also yeah, and yeah, and voila. The next product is my mascara from Miss Rose, so that the lashes don't look some type of way. You can see there's a difference. Yeah, there is a difference. So I'm just gonna do my lower lashes. Yeah, you can see there's like there's like a difference in how my face looks right now. And lastly, you're going to be going in with a clear gloss. I'm using 5 products, so I don't wanna just a clear gloss in this shade. My gloss is from MAC actually, so a little bit of the powder just here and here and here. And voila, I'm done. Yeah, this is my makeup using just 5 products. This is good for beginners, so if you're a beginner, this is a very good tutorial for you. If you liked this video, kindly like, comment, share, and then subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the comments.